438 emails hit my inbox last month. Every single one had a PDF invoice attached. I used to upload those PDFs straight to Claude. It cost me $47 and got the supplier name wrong 9% of the time. If you're feeding documents to Claude and watching your API bill climb while accuracy drops, I'll show you the text format that fixed both. Most people say, just use Markdown. That's only half the fix. The order of the fields matters more than the format itself. Here's the problem in action. Take a real invoice, PDF, supplier name at the top, line items in the middle, total at the bottom. Upload that raw PDF to Claude and ask it to extract the supplier, the total, and the tax amount. Watch what happens. Claude reads the line items first, sees a bunch of numbers, and when it gets to the total at the bottom, it's already anchored on the line item prices. It hallucinates a tax field that doesn't exist. It gets the supplier name slightly wrong because the PDF layout confused it. And you paid for every single token in that PDF. The logo, the formatting metadata, the white space, all of it counts toward your bill. Now here's the fix. Instead of uploading the PDF, you extract the text and restructure it before sending it to Claude. But here's the part nobody mentions. The order of the fields inside that text matters more than whether you chose Markdown or JSON. Claude anchors on the first numbers it sees. So if line items come first, Claude's attention is already polluted by the time it reaches the monetary total. The fix is simple. Put the total amount first, then the supplier name, then the tax fields, then the line items last. This way, Claude locks in the most important number before it ever sees the noise. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. This is a live pipeline I run for a small invoicing operation. An email arrives in Gmail with a PDF attached. The pipeline grabs the attachment, extracts the raw text, and runs a 15-line Python function that reorders the fields. The output looks like this: total first, supplier second, tax third, line items at the bottom. Clean plain text. No PDF metadata. No logo tokens. No formatting overhead. That restructured text goes to Claude's API, and the response comes back as clean JSON, supplier name, total, tax amount, invoice number. All correct. The numbers speak for themselves. If you want this exact pipeline built for your business, document parsing, restructuring, Claude integration, the works, go to bizflowai.io and book a free 30-minute discovery call. While you're there, check out the real solutions we ship for clients.